This review is based on extensive feedback gathered from users across the internet regarding the unique 14th birthday gifts for girls, 14-year-old girl birthday gift set by Unipinkart. This gift set is designed to celebrate a significant milestone for a 14-year-old girl, offering a combination of style, practicality, and memorable keepsakes. It is an ideal choice for parents, relatives, or close friends looking to give a thoughtful and meaningful gift for this special occasion. The set includes a 16-ounce frosted gradient glass with a stainless steel straw and cleaning brush, a chic canvas makeup bag printed with the birth year, a stylish bracelet, and a heartfelt greeting card. Each item is carefully selected to provide lasting joy and practicality. The glass cup features a sleek, modern design suitable for cold and hot drinks, though it is advised to avoid hot water immersion to preserve the finish. The stainless steel straw adds durability over fragile glass straws, and the included brush makes cleaning easy. The makeup bag is a practical size, made of canvas material with a clear, vibrant print, suitable for storing makeup, pens, or small essentials. The bracelet is charming and colorful, with multiple strands allowing the wearer to choose how many to wear at once. The greeting card is made from high-quality cardstock, blank inside for personalized messages, and comes with a matching envelope. The entire set is packaged in a sturdy, colorful gift box that requires no additional wrapping, making it convenient and visually appealing. Users have praised the packaging quality, noting that the items arrive well protected and ready to gift. Many reviewers highlighted the high quality of the glass cup, appreciating its ease of use and cleaning. The makeup bag's size and material were also well received for their practicality and durability. The bracelet, while described as costume jewelry, was considered cute and a nice addition to the set. The card sparked positive reactions due to its quality and the opportunity it provides for personalized messages. The gift box itself features cheerful birthday-themed designs, including messages like "Happy Birthday" on the outside and "Hello! Beautiful Girl" on the inside, with a touch of string confetti for added festivity. Some users noted that the items fit snugly inside the box, with a little extra space to add small additional gifts such as lip gloss, hair ties, or stickers, enhancing the overall presentation. The set's design reflects the birth year of the recipient rather than just the age, which adds sentimental value and makes the items useful beyond the birthday year. This thoughtful approach was appreciated by many, as it creates a lasting keepsake rather than a one-time use gift. The overall impression from users is that this gift set offers excellent value for the price, combining fun, style, and practicality. It is seen as a fun and unique way to celebrate a milestone birthday, making the recipient feel special and remembered. The glass tumbler in particular was frequently mentioned as a highlight of the set, with its sturdy build and attractive design. The makeup bag's versatility and size were also praised, making it suitable for everyday use. While the bracelet is modest and somewhat costume-like, it adds a playful and colorful touch that many young girls enjoy. The card included in the set was noted for its quality and the opportunity for a personal message, which adds emotional significance to the gift. Some users recommended opening the package before gifting to rearrange the items for a more polished presentation, as the shipping protection can make the set appear slightly disorganized upon arrival. Overall, the unique 14th birthday gift set is highly recommended for anyone seeking a meaningful and practical gift for a 14-year-old girl. It combines thoughtful design, quality materials, and an appealing presentation that makes birthday celebrations memorable. The set's focus on the birth year adds a nostalgic and personal touch that distinguishes it from generic birthday gifts. It is a gift that the recipient is likely to cherish and use regularly, reminding her of a special milestone every time she enjoys the items. If you have this gift set or plan to purchase it, leaving a review in the comments helps others make informed decisions and supports the community of gift givers. The link to the product is provided in the description to support the channel and make it easy for viewers to find this charming and practical birthday gift.